Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sumra. Thank you so much for being here. I want to first start by saying Eid Mubarak to all my brothers and sisters out there. I wanted to do this look here today for Eid so you guys can get ready and dolled up for a celebration after Ramadan. So today we're going to get into this look right here. I'm going to do a main focus on eyes today. We're doing a cut crease, wing liner, glitter, all of the above. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. But before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's right down here, somewhere down here. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and give me a like or comment because I want to see what you guys think. If you guys are liking it, if you guys are hating it, let me know. But make sure you subscribe. But let's get into this video. Okay, I actually did my hair. Okay. This is not wrinkled, okay? I swear I spent like 30 minutes steaming it and it just will not like cooperate. So don't mind my background, okay? Anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer brush. This is the original, but it's anti-aging. I'm just gonna go in. I've been loving the Urban Decay primer potion lately. I feel like the colors just pop way more on the primer potion. And I feel like they last way longer when it comes to like your eyes. Like I feel like I still remember the first time I used this, and it was on my birthday, like when I was turning 21. My sister did my makeup and she used this thing, and I swear I fell asleep in my makeup, and I woke up and my makeup was still like fully intact. Just my eye makeup, my face was like gone, but my eyes still were like smoky. It still had the wing. Crazy. So then I'm just gonna set this primer with my translucent powder, and like literally just a little bit, just to kind of make the shadows blend a little bit easier. I go in with Soft Glam by Anastasia. This is going to be basically the shadows we use today. We're going to first go in, I'm going to use my MAC 224, and we're going to go into the shade right here, Burnt Orange. It's a good transition shade. It's kind of what I love. I think it's really good. I like to go in windshield wiper motions, so back and forth. I know a lot of people like to start in circular motions, which I think is good after I've done the windshield wiper motion. Like this just like softens it up. Okay. And then we're gonna go into the shade Sienna, which is right here. Now I'm wearing this gold outfit, which I don't know if I'm actually wearing gold on Eid, but we'll see. Does everyone already have their Eid outfits? Tell me, guys. It's okay if you get it on the lid, because we're gonna clean that part up. So now we're going into that Cypress Umber color, the one that I hit pan on. So this one right here, we're going to go into that. And that's going to focus into the outer corner, and then we're going to take it into the crease. So mostly right here. We're going to create that V shape. Just take whatever's left over on the brush and put it into the crease all the way to the inner corner. I go into the clean blending brush and just want it to literally look like it just blends, like it just goes right into the next color. You can't see where one color starts and the other one ends. Oh, and the brush I used to blend it out was the MAC 217, and the brush I'm using for the darker shade is a Kylie Cosmetics brush. Okay. looks good to me. And then we're gonna cut the crease. To cut the Nars Soft Matte and Custard. And we're gonna go on with the MAC 242. It's a flat synthetic brush. Super easy. You can use it under your eyes, but I like to use this for lid and to cut the crease. Now to cut the crease, I'm probably gonna get really into the mirror, just because it's such delicate work. So I like to start off on the inner corner. Just like so. Go back in with the corner, what you used for the outer corner, and just blend. We're gonna go in with glistening, which is that color right there. Such a pretty shade, and we're gonna put that all where we put the concealer. And I'm gonna use the same brush to do that, just the other side. Just because I want it to be a little more metallic, I'm going to go with Fix Plus. Spray it. We're adding glitter on top of this, so I'm not going to leave this. We're just going to go in. And then just press it where the colors meet. We're going to take that brush again, no extra product, just blend. And we're going to go into Rustic, which is this shade right here. It's like a little transition shade. And we're going to put that right in between the lid color and the outer corner, just to give it more of a seamless blend. Like so. Yeah, that looks good. Now, I did this entire thing, but I'm actually going to cover this entire thing up. I wanted that as a base for what we're going to really go in with, which is, yeah, we're going to go with this. The Stila Magnificent Metals, and this is in rose gold. So pretty. This one right here, guys. Look how pretty that is. And this, I like to go in directly with the thing because it's the best way to apply it. And we're just gonna follow. Again, go back in with the shadow brush. Tell me that doesn't look good. Tell me. Okay. Now we're gonna do a wing liner. We're gonna go in with Inglot Gel Liner, number 77. And we're gonna create a wing. Now this dries out really fast, so you don't want to keep it open. You want to close it up as soon as you're done using it. Okay, so how I like to create a wing. You go from your lower lash line to the tail of your brow. That is your wing. And then you bring it back. So, that's what we're going to do. I have to look in this mirror, I'm sorry guys. So from your lower lash line, the tail of your brow, you're going to flick it. So I like to start halfway, so like right here, and bring it in from there. There you go. Your perfect little wing. Going with the lash curler. Nice. We're gonna go in with the Milk Cosmetics Kush. I don't know, everything upside down. Milk Cosmetics Kush Mascara. Y'all know I love Kush Mascara. Another thing you want to do is tightline. Pat McGrath. Extreme Black Glide Pencil. Just put that on a tightline. Okay, then I'm going to go in with some Lilly lashes. These are I've already used these, but these are Lilly lashes in Hollywood. Okay, you're gonna let it dry enough. You're gonna apply this. I like to apply my lashes with tweezers just because it's really easy. And what I like to do, I'll try not to cover the camera when I do this, but I'm sorry if I do. I like to put it, look down so you can see your entire lash line. And then I like to put it in the center, like so. Just like that. Just like that. Push it up with your finger. They kind of sit up like that. And there you go. Okay, now I'm gonna speed through this eye. I forgot to mention that I'm using the MAC 210 brush for my wing liner. Okay guys, I'm back. I hope that was fun to watch in fast motion. If I didn't cut it out, who knows what I decided to do. Another little trick I have to make sure your wing is sharp as ever is take a makeup wipe. If you have a nail, even better. If you don't, just use your finger and you're just gonna clean up the edge. It's in window. Okay, I'm gonna come back and do my face and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm baking. we're gonna finish the under eye. So we're gonna go back in. Basically what we're gonna do is put all the transition shades onto the lower lash line. So we're gonna go back into Soft Glam. We're gonna start with the lightest to darkest. So we're gonna go in with Burnt Orange. You wanna go like halfway. Just like till right there. Just like so. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC 212 brush. It's like a flat brush like that. It's like straight and pretty flat. And we're going to go in with Cypress Umber. We're going to run that really close to the lash line. And then with this one, we're going to go straight. So instead of following your natural curve of your eye, you're gonna avoid that and just go straight. So it's gonna be like that. Just like that. See how it makes your eyes look like, it makes your eyes look bigger because we're going to put something light in the inner, on the waterline. And then we're going to highlight. So I'm going to use this Morphe M515 brush. It's like a really thin, like pencil brush, really tiny, really good for detail work. And we're going to put highlighter right there. So I'm going to go in with the Stila Cosmetics Magnificent Metals and Karma. I'm going to take that onto the brush. We're just going to put that there. Go back in with that flat brush and just kind of define that line. Yes, hunty. Okay. Now, I really want my inner eye to look really open, so we're going to go in with the Marc Jacobs highliner and Pink Me Like Me. What is this? Pink of Me. To do that, we can wipe away this bake. I'm going to go in some brightening powder. I'm going number 3 by kkwbeauty. I love this stuff. I use it every day. I think it's probably the best thing from her entire concealer kit collection. This is good for nose contouring too. So like if you're trying to make your nose look smaller, honey, it helps. For sure helps. Then I'm going to go into Honey Love by MAC. Okay guys, this is the finished look right here. This Eid inspired look. I hope this is a fun look you guys will enjoy and that you will actually do for Eid this year or for any occasion, birthday party, party in general, going to a wedding, going to a lunch, brunch, whatever you want to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed. And before you leave, please sure you give me a like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below letting me know what you think. I'll see you guys in the next video.